Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Umiilaw pala to, social. Happy Independence Day, Israel! Happy 78th Independence Day! We are Filipino here in Israel and we raise your flag. Today is your 78th Independence Day and I'm happy with this headband. Beautiful. Only 5 shekel in Beersheba. Anyway, what did I cook? I cook before I show it to you, before I show to you what I cooked this Independence Day here in Israel, please click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will continue watching our life here in Israel Housekeeper Diaries. Please watch this. This is what I prepare: the bulldog from Korea, the fried rice, a Filipino fried rice, and soft-boiled egg, and then I cook there in the stove. I cook the lugaw. This is a boiled rice with sticky rice and then the saute chicken, no bones here. And also with ginger and garlic and ground black pepper and salt. That's all. This is my food today, this afternoon, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. This kind of cook is have a long life. It's good for stomach. We can eat this in the morning and then evening. Okay? I have a sparkling wine here, but I don't want to show. Ayoko ipakita kasi kinuha ko lang to sa aming mahal na hotel. Chinismis ko pa yung sarili ko, no? Gusto ko pa, I want to pop up the sparkling wine about to celebrate this 78th Independence Day here in Israel. Long life Israel, and peace be with you, Israel. God bless you, Israel. God bless to all the Filipino also here in Israel. All the people here in Israel, God bless you, Lord. Peace. Woo! O, diba? Nagbakasyon yung mga kasama ko, namamasyal sila. Ngayon nandito ako sa bahay. Mamaya, pupunta ako sa park, magrarampa ako doon. May gagawin akong rampa. Okay? Ganun lang yung kasiyahan ko dito eh. Alam nyo, sa ating buhay, kailangan mahanap natin yung kasiyahan. Hindi pera magpapasaya sa atin eh. Yung magiging masaya tayo na mayroon tayong peace in our heart. We must find the way, the place where our heart have peace. Thank you, Israel. I'm working here in Israel for almost more than 3 years. And I'm very thankful to the Israel Defense Force and also for protecting the people here in Israel. So I am witness. I am witness in October 7 in the war of Iran, Hezbollah against Israel. God love Israel because why? God sent other country to help Israel. They not abandon Israel. Thank you, Israel. Happy 78th Independence Day. Mabuhay! Bye-bye!